Stop waiting for Claude to finish one task before starting the next. Subagents let you research 3 topics, refactor 3 files, or debug 3 issues, all at the same time. A subagent is a fresh Claude instance with its own context. The main agent spawns it with a task, the subagent works independently, returns a result. Parallel work without context pollution. Launch one with the task tool, pass a description and a prompt. Claude opens a new window in your terminal and starts working. You continue chatting with the main agent in parallel. Run 3 at the same time. Send a single message with 3 task calls. All 3 subagents start simultaneously and work in parallel. The main agent collects results when they finish. Each agent type is specialized. General purpose for any task, explore for fast codebase reads, plan for designing implementations, match the agent to the work. Orchestrate the work. The main agent reviews each subagent's output, decides what to do next, kicks off another round, or synthesizes the results into a final answer. 3 things to remember. Subagents have their own context. The task tool spawns them. Multiple task calls in one message run in parallel. Save these patterns for later. The full sheet is linked in the description below. Try it now. Send 3 task calls in one message and watch them work simultaneously. That's the end of the basics series. Congratulations. From here, build something.